Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Owingsville, local and long distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long distance moving services for you. Our team will make sure you get a stress free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. With the right Kentucky Moving Company, we can make your local move super simple. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting or hard work. Good local movers will make sure you get the help you need, no matter how far you're going. 3 Movers uses a streamlined process to make moving simple. We know how to make sure you have the services you need to save time and energy. Let us complete your move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Owingsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.